Hello, welcome to TopekaKnives.com. What we're looking at here is a cool little revolver knife. It's a Tac-Force model TF-752RD. It has a 4.5 inch handle, a 2.5 inch half serrated stainless steel blade. It's called the Karambit revolver. Pretty cool scorpion on there. It does look like a little derringer or something. Anyway, the frame is made of aluminum. The description said there was a keychain on the loop here, but I don't see it. I don't see that happening. It's a pretty fast little knife. It's got a Karambit blade. It is liner lock, locking system, spring assisted, quick, it's pretty quick. And it has a pocket clip on one side, right there. And that's about it. I thank you for watching my videos, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.